Hi there, welcome to a new episode of An Ordinary Review with PJ. Today I have it for you, a gritty drama series. A drama series that has murder mystery at its backdrop, but then it's much more than that. It actually touches upon human emotions, relationships, dysfunctional families, how they actually start going downhill and everything starts going out of control. And also the emotion of grief in particular. How if that emotion is not addressed can actually impact you as a person, the relationships that you maintain, and basically can cause a lot of turmoil in your life. So I'm talking about the series called Mayor of Easttown. It stars Kate Winslet, one of my favorite actresses, and it's available on Disney Hotstar. The series is also executive produced by Kate Winslet, and it also stars John Smart, Angourie Rice, Evan Peters, and Guy Pearce in a special role. So before I get on to the review, here's a look at Mayor of Easttown. So Mayor of Easttown is essentially a murder mystery. Kate Winslet plays a cop and she's having a troubled time, both professionally and personally. Personally, she's undergoing a lot of challenge, a lot of turmoil in her life. She lost her son to a suicide and she's not been able to overcome the grief of that. And she's trying to suppress that grief by getting busier and busier with work, and that has an impact on the rest of the relationship she has. Her marriage is broken, she's divorced, she's struggling with her daughter and her mother who now stays with her. And more importantly, she's fighting custody battle for her grandson, the son of her son who basically killed himself. So she's trying to fight a custody battle with his girlfriend and trying to retain the grandson. And there are some medical issues with her grandson as well. Apart from that, on the professional side, she's actually not been able to find a girl who's gone missing, and the girl is actually a daughter of her close friend. So they were this school group, when they were young, and they won the local basketball league, and this all girl group. Basically, one of the group members, who is a friend, had her daughter kidnapped about a year ago, and she's not been able to find her, and obviously that has brought a rift in their friendship. Now, while she's investigating that case, another murder happens of a young mother who is a teenage mother, and she is actually having a son from her boyfriend, and boyfriend is not accepting the relationship. And one fine day she goes out to a school gathering, and on the way back something happens, and next day her body is found in the creek, and that's where the murder mystery gets into play, in terms of figuring it out what happened to her and who killed her. Obvious suspicion is her boyfriend, but then there is much more to it than just that. So that's the essence of the series. So it's a murder mystery, but then the way it builds up, and also it explores the turmoil in Kate Winslet's life because of her son's death, and how she's dealing with it, how her family is dealing with it, makes it very, very interesting to watch. Apart from the murder mystery, obviously there is this missing girls case as well. There's another girl that goes missing, and then later that mystery is cracked and figured out who actually was kidnapping the girls. But the rationale of what those kidnappings were for is left unexplained. So that's perhaps a little bit of a disappointment. You never get to know why that person was kidnapping the girls and housing them and basically hiding them. So that part of the mystery goes a little unresolved. But the main mystery of the murder actually is very engrossing. And as it slowly builds up towards the climax, it gets really twisty. There are multiple twists that come on that murder mystery. Every time you think that the murder is solved, something new comes up. And in the end, when you actually find out who the murderer is, you will be definitely surprised and shocked. You would possibly never anticipate the killer in this series. So it was fantastically built up right up to the climax. Kate Winslet is a brilliant actress, and the entire series hinges on her performance. She is there almost every scene, and the varied emotions that she goes through, particularly the emotion of grief and the turmoil that she is facing within, affecting everything around her, is beautifully acted upon by her. A very interesting character played by Jing Smart. She plays Kate Winslet's mother, and she brings a little bit of a humor in the proceedings. I think she's really, a nice motherly role, and really brings a smile to your face because of the performance. The other characters have also done top-notch job. It's a very engrossing, series. Everybody has done very well. The only disappointment was Guy Pearce. So he's shown as his writer who's written a famous book, and he comes to town, East Town, and then he meets Kate Winslet and they start romancing. But that track is left kind of unattended. It doesn't really have a significant meaning into the series. Perhaps the only unexplored part of the series, which was a little disappointment according to me. Guy Pearce is a great actor, so he was underutilized in the series. But overall, a really gritty drama, something that you would enjoy. It's a slow build-up. It takes time for you to get settled into the series, but once you get hooked in, you will not leave it till the end. Now, it took me 7 weeks to see this. It's a 7-part series because every week there was an episode getting released on Disney Hotstar. But now all episodes are available, so you can actually binge watch it till the end. So I strongly recommend, if you're looking for a good gritty series, then this is a series to watch. It is a front runner for many awards that are likely to be coming its way because of the performances and the way the series has been made. So good one to catch. Mayor of Easttown, Disney Hotstar. Go check it out. Thank you for watching my reviews. Thank you for subscribing my channel and also sharing it with your friends and family. I look forward to bringing more interesting reviews for you. Keep sharing your recommendations. They're all very interesting. It's a question of time when I will be able to get to see it and post their reviews. Thank you so much for your feedback. Do stay safe, stay healthy. Till next time.